love with you, and I'll be one with you one day. Oh my darling, what a surprise. I get a funny feeling when I look in your eyes. Darling, please come here, let me bend your ear. I wanna tell you things just between you and I know that you can feel it, girl, you cannot deny. I feel it in my soul, let the truth be told. Darling, 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 darling.
Start.
Go na.
Oh, go.
Number 1. Happy birthday!
I just wanted to greet you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Wish you all the best.
Ayun, Anika. Hope to see you soon. Sana magkita tayo very soon kasi sa June 25, punta na kami dyan. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And I'll try to greet you on your birthday itself. Happy birthday. Much love.
Happy birthday. Well, I'm so happy for you going nangyayari sa career mo. You really deserve it. I know, hardworking ka.
Happy birthday!
Maraming salamat sa lahat and sa
Ingat ka
suporta.
lagi dyan, ha. God bless always. Happy birthday!
Ako na ngayong batiin ng happy birthday. And also, I want to thank you for all your love and support for me. On your special day, sana mag-enjoy kayo. Sana yung surrounded by people you love and will love you back. And ito, you have big friends na gusto ko yung masahin. Kaya ito ako, binabati kayo ng happy birthday. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I have a wish for you. I wish you great luck and good fortune. May you and your loved ones be blessed. And may all your wishes be granted.
Share the wish, spread the luck.
Angel Locsin, wish of luck.
Happy birthday. Kumusta ka na? Alam ko masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Wish you all the best. Basta andito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo. Lagi lang ako nandito. I love you. Love you, Tay. Happy birthday ulit.